Imagine someone wants to learn English but feels confused about where to start. They learn many words. They memorize sentences. They try to speak, yet their sentences sound incomplete or incorrect. The problem is not vocabulary. The problem is often the foundation. So, hello everyone, this is Bob and welcome to my channel. Actually, you know what? People try their best. They give their 100% to learn all those things which are important to speak the English language. But still, after making that much effort, they can't speak English. And it happens with 99% of learners. So, is there anyone who can tell me what the main reason is? Why does it happen? Let me tell you. Actually, we learn all those things but forget to implement them. I mean to say that we want to speak English, and for that, we are getting things in our mind, but we are not allowing our tongue to be confident. Yes, we are hesitating. We have all the knowledge about spoken English, like how we can use verbs and their forms. We know lots of words. We can read well. We can write better, even without seeing a book. Still, we are not able to speak English. So, as we got to know that we just need to allow our tongue to utter something in English, this is what we have to do to speak English. But before that, if you're a beginner, if you have just thought to improve your English or just started to improve it, then you have to learn the base. Yes, you have to learn all the basic things which are important to speak English. See, when I had thought to improve my English, at that time I knew only one thing, and that thing was grammar. Yes, if you know enough grammar, then you can easily speak English. And you know what? I was right, actually. But after learning all the grammar rules, I couldn't speak English. No, not because I was wrong that grammar isn't important to speak English. It's just because I had no idea what I needed to do after learning grammar. So, yes, because of that, I gave up improving my English twice. But it was my last time to give up. And again, I started. It was my third attempt. And guess what? I improved. So on this channel, in all my videos, I will teach you the basic foundation of English with deep explanation and so many examples using my experiences. So if you want to improve your English, then do not forget to subscribe to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to learn our first lesson. That is understanding with which verb we can use I, you, we, she, he, it, they, and so on. Actually, I don't want to use each grammar word, as they call these words pronouns, only to not make our class boring. Once I was also one of you, and I can understand your mentality. So yes, you first need to learn with all these pronouns which helping verb you have to use. Yes, it was my first step towards spoken English, because I wanted to learn English from scratch. Now, don't say that you know these small things. People often make mistakes using these things. Even like with he, they use have, and so on. So come to the point. Actually, I have work for you without making delay. Just take out your notebook from your bag and write down all the things which I'm going to say immediately. Ready? Let's start. I with helping verbs am, do, have, was, will. Understand it with examples. I am happy. I am learning English. I do my homework daily. I do exercise every morning. I have a book. I have finished my work. I was at home yesterday. I was very tired. I will call you tomorrow.
I will learn English. You with helping verbs are, do, have, were, will. Examples. You are my friend. You are very kind. You do your work well. You do practice every day. You have a good idea. You have completed the task. You were late yesterday. You were very busy. You will succeed. You will understand it.
We, with helping verbs, are, do, have, were, will. Examples. We are students. We are learning English. We do our homework. We do practice together. We have a meeting today. We have finished the work. We were at school yesterday. We were very happy. We will win the match. We will start the class. He, with helping verbs, is, does, has, was, will. Examples. He is my brother. He is very smart. He does his homework. He does exercise daily. He has a car. He has completed the work. He was at the market. He was very tired. He will come tomorrow. He will help you. She, with helping verbs, is, does, has, was, will. Examples. She is my sister. She is very intelligent. She does her work carefully. She does practice every day. She has a beautiful dress. She has finished her homework. She was at home yesterday. She was very happy. She will call you. She will join the class. It, with helping verbs, is, does, has, was, will. Examples. It is a beautiful day. It is very cold today. It does make sense. It does look nice. It has 4 legs. It has stopped raining. It was very hot yesterday. It was a good movie. It will rain tomorrow. It will take time. They, with helping verbs, are, do, have, were, will. Examples. They are my friends. They are playing football. They do their work on time. They do practice every day. They have a big house. They have finished the project. They were at the park. They were very excited. They will visit us tomorrow. They will help you. Name. Any name. For example, Mia, with helping verbs is, does, has, was, will. Examples. Mia is my friend. Mia is very hardworking. Mia does her homework daily. Mia does practice every morning. Mia has a new phone. Mia has finished her work. Mia was at school yesterday. Mia was very happy. Mia will come tomorrow. Mia will help us. So this is your today's lesson. Now what you have to do is write down 50 examples of each pronoun. Now don't say that 50 is a big number, but believe me, if you work hard today, tomorrow you will be at ease.
And one more thing. While writing down all the examples, make sure that you are not copying from Google. Yes, you have to make your own sentences. Write small sentences, not long ones. See, I'm just telling you those things to do which I did when I was a beginner. So just follow what I am saying. Within a few days, you will see results. So see you in the next video. Thank you.